Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a sleek and efficient mid-tower ATX airflow case designed to optimize cooling performance while maintaining a stylish and minimalist aesthetic. The case is designed with airflow in mind, featuring a mesh front panel that allows for improved ventilation and optimal airflow to keep your components cool under load. One of the key features of the H7 Flow is its pre-installed 3x120mm fans, which ensure efficient airflow right out of the box. These fans work together to provide balanced air circulation, keeping your system cool even during intensive tasks like gaming or heavy workloads. Additionally, the case supports the installation of bottom fans for dedicated GPU cooling, offering extra flexibility for users who want to fine-tune their cooling setup. Cable management is another standout feature of the NZXT H7 Flow, with plenty of space and cable routing options to ensure a clean, organized build. The case includes built-in cable channels and tie-down points, making it easier to keep cables out of airflow pathways for improved cooling and a tidier interior. The case is designed for easy building, with toolless side panel removal and ample space for larger components. The NZXT H7 Flow supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, and it has room for multiple storage devices, including 2x3.5-inch HDDs and 4x2.5 SSDs. With its spacious interior, the case is compatible with high-performance components like GPUs, large CPU coolers, and advanced water cooling systems. Finished in a clean white color, the NZXT H7 Flow offers a modern, elegant look that will fit seamlessly into any setup. Overall, it's an excellent choice for users who prioritize cooling, organization, and ease of building in a visually appealing case. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a versatile and modular mid-tower ATX PC case designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a customizable and high-performance build. This case stands out with its fully modular design, allowing users to easily adapt the internal layout to suit their specific needs, whether it's for improved airflow, aesthetic preferences, or component compatibility. The Qube 500 comes pre-installed with a 120mm SF black rear fan, which provides efficient airflow and cooling to help maintain optimal system temperatures. The case is designed to support vertical GPU mounting, which not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures your high-end graphics card is showcased while maintaining adequate cooling. For advanced cooling setups, the case supports dual 280mm radiators, allowing users to incorporate custom water cooling loops or high-performance AIO, all-in-one, liquid cooling systems. Despite its compact design, the Qube 500 supports ATX motherboards, making it a great choice for users looking to build a powerful system with a large motherboard. The case also accommodates multiple storage options, including 2x3.5-inch HDDs and 3x2.5 SSDs, ensuring you have ample space for your essential files and games. With its modular design, the case allows for easy cable management, making it simple to maintain a clean and organized build. The interior is spacious and well ventilated, ensuring that airflow is optimized for all components, especially when pushing high workloads or overclocking. Finished in sleek black, the Cooler Master Qube 500 combines functionality with style, making it an excellent choice for users who want a flexible, high-performance case that offers both cooling efficiency and visual appeal. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX Gaming Chassis, model IWCSA3BLK1AM120S, is a compact and stylish case designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a space-saving yet high-performance build. This Micro ATX case is perfect for users looking to build a powerful gaming rig without sacrificing aesthetics or functionality. One of the standout features of the InWin A3 is its built-in ARGB fan, which offers customizable lighting to add a dynamic visual effect to your setup. The ARGB fan can be controlled and synced with other compatible ARGB components, allowing for a fully customizable lighting experience. The case's design provides clear visibility of the lighting, making it a great choice for those who want to showcase their build's interior. The A3 supports micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, making it a compact option for users who want a smaller form factor without compromising on performance. Despite its compact size, the case provides sufficient space for high-performance components, including a powerful GPU, which can be installed horizontally. It supports graphics cards up to 310 mm in length, allowing you to incorporate most mid-range to high-end GPUs. In terms of cooling, the case offers ample room for airflow, with support for additional fans and liquid cooling setups. While it comes with a single 120 mm ARGB fan pre-installed, users can expand their cooling options to ensure optimal system temperatures during gaming or heavy workloads. The case also has a clean and organized interior, with cable management options to keep wires neatly arranged for better airflow and aesthetics. Finished in black, the InWin A3 combines modern design with a compact form factor, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a gaming chassis that delivers both performance and style in a small package. Number 4. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium mid-tower PC case that blends sleek aesthetics with high functionality, designed for users who value both style and performance. Its refined design is characterized by a combination of charcoal black metal mesh and tempered glass, providing both excellent airflow and an elegant appearance. One of the standout features of the North XL is its superior airflow, with a front panel mesh design that allows for maximum ventilation, ensuring your components stay cool even under heavy loads. The case is equipped with spacious interior clearance, supporting ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards. It offers ample room for high-end components, including up to 360 mm radiators in the front and 280 mm radiators at the top, making it ideal for users looking to implement advanced cooling setups. The case is also equipped with premium cable management features, ensuring a clean and organized build. It comes with integrated cable routing channels and tie-down points, allowing users to easily hide cables out of sight to maintain a neat, tidy interior. This makes it easier to optimize airflow and create a visually appealing system. In terms of storage, the North XL supports multiple drive configurations, including space for up to two 3.5-inch hard drives and two 2.5 SSDs, providing ample storage options for both gaming and productivity needs. The tempered glass side panel showcases the interior of your build, allowing users to proudly display their components and lighting setup. Overall, the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a well-rounded case, offering exceptional cooling, versatile storage options, and an aesthetically pleasing design, making it a perfect choice for building high-performance, visually striking PC builds. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow Mid-Tower ATX case is a sleek and stylish chassis designed for users who want both high-performance cooling and an eye-catching aesthetic. Featuring a clean white exterior, it comes equipped with 3 pre-installed 120 mm ARGB fans that provide vibrant and customizable lighting effects. The ARGB lighting can be synchronized with other compatible components for a fully immersive visual experience, making it an ideal choice for those who want to show off their builds. This case supports the ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, giving users flexibility in their component choices. It offers ample space for high-performance components, including up to a 360 mm radiator in the front, and it can accommodate up to a 240 mm radiator at the top, ensuring excellent cooling potential for demanding systems, whether you're using air or liquid cooling setups. The dual tempered glass panels on the front and side of the case enhance its modern design while providing a clear view of the interior and lighting effects. The tempered glass is durable, offering both strength and a polished look. Additionally, the case's spacious interior allows for easy installation and cable management, with sufficient space for larger GPUs, power supplies, and storage drives. Storage options are flexible, with room for two 3.5-inch HDDs and four 2.5 SSDs. For easy cable management, the case includes integrated cable routing channels and tie-down points, keeping cables organized and out of airflow pathways. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow Mid-Tower case combines style, functionality, and cooling performance, making it an excellent choice for users looking to build a visually stunning and high-performance PC.